Okay guys, how are you? Hope you're doing good. So here's the demonstration that how can we increase and decrease, or how can you allow your clients to increase or decrease font of their own choice and your live site. Like you can see here, when I click on the increase button, the font of this section is going to be increased, and when I click to the decrease button, the font of this section is decreasing. See the results. So in by using this method, your client can reset the font as per their choice. Like some of your clients with the eyesight issues can increase the font, and they can see, or they can have the view of your site as per their choosed font. So here's the reset button. By clicking the reset, the font will be reset to the original font size. By clicking the increase button, the font size will increase, and by clicking the decrease button, the font size will be decreased. So let's start in the webflow that how can we achieve these results. So here in the webflow, see, just take a container with the name of font resizer and all the elements for which you want to change the size. By clicking on these buttons, just put all of these elements within this container, which is within this container, and you can just assign a simple id. Like I assigned a main content. You can change it accordingly, and then whatever the name is here, you can edit this name, and then further in the custom code use the same name. So I just want to edit, or I just want to resize this paragraph by clicking this button. I want to resize these buttons, and I want to resize this heading by clicking this button. So all of the elements for which I want this font resizing, I just put them in the same container, and I assigned this container a simple id. So in the custom part, just go to your page setting, go to the body part of the page, and simply paste these some lines. I will paste these lines in my description box. You can just copy and paste these lines from my description box, and implement them in your project and see the results. So here's a simple lines, simple custom code. You must be careful about the name. Whatever the id you assigned it here to the container in which all the elements for the font resizings are lie down, just say just be careful about the name. If here is the main content, then id should be here, this id should be here. Okay, and then again the three main functions, that is one function for the reset button, one function for the increase button, and one function for the decrease button. So by clicking the resets, your font will be reset to the original position. By clicking increase button, your font will be resized by 10 pixels, by increase by 10 pixels, and by clicking decrease button, your font size will be decreased by the 10 pixels. So I will paste this code in my description box, and you can get from this code from there, and just save it, and now give it a publish. And now see, here are the results. Here, this is the paragraph, these are the buttons, this is the heading, and I want for the font resizing for these three elements, which I placed in a container with the id name of main content. And now here are the three buttons. I just click increase, and you can see the result. I just click increase for 2 more times, and see my font size is increasing. Then I click decrease, and you can see my font size for all these three elements is decreasing. Again, using increase, and then click the reset button, and you can see that my font size again will be reset to its original size. So here's the simple way, and it's the just matter of just few lines, and see the magic. Thank you.